Cambodia's Khmer Rouge era and the civil war that followed led to a chronic shortage of doctors when intellectuals were targeted in crackdowns. The country lags far behind advanced nations, particularly in the treatment of childhood cancer. NHK World's Chang Chanimo followed a Japanese doctor who's determined to make a change.
A volunteer Japanese medical group runs a hospital in Kandal province near the capital Phnom Penh. In June, the institution set up a new ward for pediatrics. 2 pediatricians volunteer full-time at the 40-bed hospital. Dr. Mariko Kakazu heads the hospital.
少し塊が触れるんだけど、お父さんとかお母さんとかお家でこれ触って気づきました。
She specializes in childhood cancer and has been involved with the hospital's operations since it opened.
We took our child to other hospitals, but they weren't very helpful. But people here are very attentive and encouraging.
New patients are admitted every week. 7-year-old Kong Champa Thavi Moniniet's cancer returned in her muscles last year.
Our daughter asked us for help when the pain from her arm was so intense that she couldn't breathe.
It's her second relapse. The doctor thought it would spread to other parts of her body, even with treatment. Dr. Kakazu discussed the situation with her parents. The decision was made to amputate her arm.
It's difficult to cure since it's the second relapse. Even in Japan, it will be hard. But I want to try and let her spend some quality time with her family.
Moniniet had surgery in mid-September. The procedure took 2 hours. Her parents stayed by her side after the operations.
It was a big loss, but in return, we could save our daughter. We're really glad to have this hospital in Cambodia.
Since the hospital started accepting the children with cancer, Dr. Kakazu has been working hard to train staff. She continually teaches nurses how to conduct each step of their work, such as administering drugs.
Dr. Kakazu is very experienced. She teaches us how to deal with child cancer patients. I want to improve my skills as a nurse.
Despite trying my hardest, my efforts would be meaningless if I left and everything came to a stop. I'm training staff so this can become a hub for pediatrics.
Cambodia only has 4 hospitals that treat childhood cancer. The country's medical sector has its hopes pinned on the Japanese doctors' work to save as many children as possible. Chang Chanimo, NHK World, Phnom Penh.
A Japanese university is launching a project to offer classes at Vietnam's top science university.